This is nitro on the dash. Better yet, vintage nitro on the dash, getting fast food. And it's got, we got stuff falling all over. This is what happens when you try to eat burgers and make nitro videos in your car. Hey, yo, come here. You want to talk about this Megatech? I'll talk to you about it. I see you over there looking at my Megatech. Are you curious?
Are you ready? Hey, think you can tell us what to do? Think you can tell us what to wear? You think that you're better? Better get ready. Down to the masters. Break it down.
What's up, Nitro Gang? This is a vintage early 2000s Megatech Gladiator Tempest running the Chris Chianelli Q16 engine. I'm in a car. This is on the dash. I'm at a Wendys drive-thru. I just ordered myself some food. I am gonna be going through the drive-thru with this Megatech Nitro on the dash. We don't need to buckle up in the drive-thru. Come on. All right, let's do this. Nitro on the dash, baby. Wendys drive-thru. No joke.
Hi, welcome to Wendys.
Yes, hi. I just placed a mobile order.
You can drive around.
Can I just ask for a lot less ice in that drink?
No problem, I got you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
They put way too much ice in those drinks, guys. Way too much ice. Look at that. You see that pipe? I want the drive-thru people to notice that pipe right there. Yeah, baby. Thank you. Coffee, baby. For free. All right, let's get out of here. We got the food. Nitro still on the shelf here. We got ourselves a Alfa Romeo right here in the front. Looks like it got some bumper damage. I guess it's waiting for food in the drive-thru. Look at that. It's got red leather inside. But it looks like shit on the outside. Can't say that about this Nitro, baby. I don't think the Wendys drive-thru people found my Megatech here very amusing. Well, I found it pretty amusing. I like looking at a damn tuned pipe while I'm driving in my Prius, you know? Anyways, got myself some food here. This is what they call the Frosty Cheeto, baby. It's basically vanilla ice cream at the bottom there and coffee, kind of like a cappuccino. Now, I know you heard me ask for not that much ice. Now, this is actually what they call not that much ice. Basically, you know, most of the top of the cup there. I'm gonna have to throw it out. Usually, about 3/4 of this cup is full of ice. It is literally undrinkable normally. Now, what's inside the bag? Oh, can't have this flipping over here. Don't want it to ruin this Megatech Nitro. Who cares about the Prius? I'm just kidding. I love this car. Okay, let's look inside the bag, baby. Looks like burgers to me. Oh, yeah. How many burgers do we get? We got one burger, Dave's Classic Single. I'm gonna eat it in a minute, don't you worry. Let's put it here on top. You know, I'm pretty sure this Megatech likes beef, right? Who doesn't like beef? We got ourselves another one, baby. Thought I was kidding? No, I only get two. These are actually on the 2 for $5 menu right now. And this Wendys drink here, coffee drink, is free. I only paid $5 plus tax for all of this. This is literally over $10 worth of food if you were to purchase it separately. But guys, we all know I don't like to pay a lot for fast food. The reason is I like to buy vintage Nitros and they cost money. I will be doing a full video on this. You know, maybe we'll take a look at this in this video, but this is probably one of the best condition ones you will ever see from this generation. And it's got, we got stuff falling all over. This is what happens when you try to eat burgers and make nitro videos in your car. Oh, collateral damage. Collateral damage. By the way, in the back I have that snowman just in case I want to strap it up and drive it around later, which I actually just did in a recent video. If you didn't watch it, go freaking watch it. What happened to this? Got collateral damage. Stuff falling all over here. Got radio box fell out. Oh man, I need a bigger car, guys. I need a bigger car. Need more Patreon supporters. Maybe I'll actually get a better car one day. We don't know. For now, we're gonna roll in a Prius. We're gonna drag this thing around. We all wanna know what's gonna happen with this right there. Yep, my Red Cat Rampage 4-wheel drive drift edition, baby, is strapped in. Figures they give you a free drink in the wintertime when it's cold outside. There's literally snow all around me, and they want to stick a bunch of ice in here. Well, it tastes fantastic. It's a freaking sweet coffee drink. What do you want? Not bad, actually. I like it. Burger time, baby. This goes out to all of my fast food burger loving fans out there. I know there's many of you that like to enjoy your nitros with a burger. I'm the guy that pretty much is starting this trend. Go out, put a Nitro RC on your dash, get a burger, and then see if the Wendys drive-thru knows anything about that. Mine doesn't. They're not Nitrogang fan, guys. Dave's classic single, 2 for $5, baby. Bread is actually a little bit stale. I'm not that happy right now. Let's do a small review. I'm gonna call this the dashboard review, right? Because literally the truck is on the dashboard of my car. We have a little bit of a sun situation going on here, but listen, when you're outside and you're trying to eat burgers and do RC videos, this is what winds up happening. Hopefully, I don't get hit here on the side of the street with anything, because yeah, I'm just parked kind of on the side here. Okay guys, this is a 10th scale Nitro Stadium truck from Megatech. I used to love Megatech. They advertised a lot in the old RC car action magazines. Now, if you're asking yourself, man, is this like a real monster truck? How big is it? Back then, 10th scale monster trucks were what you would expect. They were not that big. They were small, actually. So I noticed a lot of these older silver bodies from Megatech, you can almost see there's kind of like this paint hazing or fading, I think you could say, in some of these spots. I've noticed this is just how these older silver bodies are. Now, I washed this with soap and water, and I even polished some parts of this body, so it is as ideal as you'll ever see one of these. But these little lines, they're not stains. This is literally just going on inside the body, inside the paint. I have another silver Megatech body from this generation, and it is almost exactly the same. At first I thought it was just dirty, but it's not dirty. This is just how it is. This has the M16 big block, baby. That's right, let's lift the body. It is as vintage and original as possible. I have not done anything. I have the original 27 megahertz radio, just not here with me. This has the Megatech Q16 Chris Chianelli engine. Chris Chianelli was a famous RC journalist, and if you look him up on Wikipedia or anywhere, he was pretty heavy into the Nitro RC. He wasn't a racer. He was just more or less a journalist, an editorial writer, and just an all-around hobby guru, from what I understand in my research of the guy.
Hi
everybody, I'm Chris Chianelli. You might know me from my international TV show or my appearances on NBC's Today Show. The purpose of this video is to get you successfully running your nitro-powered RC vehicle. Now, before I say anything else, I want to make very clear that the instructions that come with your vehicle are very important. Today we're working with monster trucks, but all the stuff we're going to go over will apply to pretty much any RC vehicle, on-road, off-road. I'm going to show you how to get it ready to run, how to start it, and how to break it in the best way so your engine lasts the longest. Then I'm going to show you how to tune it up, get the most performance out of it, and last but definitely not least, I'm going to show you how to maintain it. Because if you take your vehicle and throw it in the corner like an old baseball glove, you're not going to get much fun out of it. You're not going to be a very happy camper. To get it to last a long time, you have to maintain it. And I'm going to show you that too. Let's get started.
This has a dual level aluminum chassis. Now I noticed that the chassis itself is actually kind of thin. This is not the thickest chassis you will see. But what I do like for this time is actually pretty rare. This had threaded body aluminum shocks. These were usually upgrades on almost every RC that you can get. Traxxas at the time came with plastic shocks. HPIs all had plastic shocks. Now Megatech, they were doing it big. They were doing sway bars. They were doing metal steering links over here. And the most important thing, what they were doing was this 2-speed baby. That's right, you see those 2 gears? Yeah, I know they look really awkward there, but it has a damn 2-speed. You know what I'm saying? Back then, only the T-maxx had it, and you know, on most HPIs other than the Savage, the 2-speed was an upgrade. This motor, I'll show you right now, it is not seized. It is basically almost like new condition. Check this out. I'm not even afraid to pull the starter. So much damn compression. Right by my window. Gotta be careful not to break this window here. Yeah, so engine spins over like new. Look at the bottom of this chassis. No damage. This might be the cleanest one of these that you will ever see anywhere, including the wheels. Very minimal wear on the wheels. Everything is original, as I said. We will be running this soon, and we're gonna see what a 2000s. Oh man, damn windshield wipers went on again. That's what happens when you try to do videos, you know? Just one of those things. What are you gonna do? Anyway, guys, just a short little, you know, kind of demonstration while I'm eating my food. You know, I don't want to waste my time not looking at a nitro and not eating a burger, so I figured why not combine them both. Thanks so much for watching. If you like these kinds of segments, let me know what other kind of fast food you want me to get, and we'll go pick it up later. Hey, yo, come here. You want to talk about this Megatech? I'll talk to you about it. I see you over there looking at my Megatech. Are you curious? The early 2000s, Chris Chianelli. Come on. Guys. You know you came here to talk about this Megatech. Look at what's going on. I come here, pull out my vintage Nitro Megatech. I got some deer, and I got a whole bunch of turkeys over here. They think we're about to run some nitro. They like to run rich and loud just like I do. Look at that. Old Nitro RCs attract wildlife, guys, and everyone says these are bad for the environment. Give me a break. Look at that. I bet if I put an electric right here on the window, they would all run away. Nitro.
So fine, but her breath was like, whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star.